We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and today I'll show how you can sign up on the ieGeek cam app for the ieGeek security cameras. So first you will need to launch the app itself. Here at the top right corner of your display, make sure to select the proper region or country which you currently reside in. Then tap at the no account yet sign up. Here input the email you would like to sign up under. Then agree to the user agreement and privacy agreement. I forgot to finish writing my email address, so let me do that now. Now we can tap next. Here create your nickname, and password, which I will do off screen obviously. Once the password is created and confirmed, we can continue. And within a few seconds, your account should get created. And here you have it. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.